In today's digital world, protecting our online privacy and security is more important than ever. Especially when using public Wi Fi networks, our data can be vulnerable to interception. Virtual private networks or VPNs offer a powerful solution to this problem. A VPN acts like a secure tunnel between your device and the internet. When you connect to a VPN, all your data traffic is encrypted before it travels over the public Wi Fi network. This encryption scrambles the data, making it unreadable to anyone who might try to intercept it. Even if someone manages to capture your data, they won't be able to decipher it without the encryption key, which only the VPN server possesses. VPNs offer several key benefits that enhance your online security. As mentioned earlier, VPNs encrypt your data, making it unreadable to anyone who might try to steal it on a public Wi Fi network. This includes hackers, snoopers, and even your internet service providers. A VPN creates a secure tunnel between your device and the VPN server. This tunnel prevents others on the same public Wi Fi network from seeing what you're doing online. This includes your browsing activities, login credentials, and any sensitive information you might be transmitting. VPNs can also mask your IP address, which is a unique identifier assigned to your device. By masking your IP address, it appears as though you are browsing the internet from a different location. This adds an extra layer of privacy and anonymity, which can be beneficial when accessing sensitive information remotely, such as for work purposes. There are many VPN service providers available, both free and paid. Here are a few of the top choices known for their strong encryption and user friendly interfaces. NordVPN. This provider offers a variety of features, including strong encryption protocols, a no logs policy, and a wide range of servers in different locations. ExpressVPN is known for its speed and reliability. It also offers strong encryption, a no logs policy, and a user friendly interface. Cisco AnyConnect. This VPN solution is a popular choice for businesses due to its security features and manageability. With so many VPN services on the market, it can be overwhelming to choose the right one. Here are some key factors to consider when making your decision. Make sure the VPN services use strong encryption protocols like OpenVPN or IKEv2. These protocols ensure your data is encrypted to the highest standard. A no logs policy guarantees that the VPN provider does not keep any logs of your online activity. This protects your privacy and ensures your data is not being sold to third parties. The VPN provider's server network plays a significant role in your connection speed. Choose a VPN with a wide range of servers in different locations. This allows you to connect to a server closest to your physical location, which will generally provide the fastest connection speeds.